Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. As flu season hits, new K variant has health experts concerned and urging vaccinations. Health officials are urging people to get flu vaccinations as flu season begins to ramp up. The predominant flu strain this season is the A H3N2 type, which is known for causing more severe illness and hospitalizations, especially in older people. A new mutation of the H3N2 strain, called subclade K, has become the most prevalent H3N2 virus this year and has been detected in at least 34 countries. While it's unclear how effective the current flu vaccine will be against subclade K, health experts still recommend getting the flu shot as it can reduce illness severity and help limit overall spread of the virus. Flu vaccine rates in Oregon have been declining in recent years, with about 5% fewer people vaccinated so far this season compared to the same time last year. Flu cases remain low nationally so far, but are expected to peak in early spring. Oregon has recorded over 60 flu-related hospitalizations since the season began on October 1. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.